Hi, today we're going to talk about how to split the first and last name in an Excel spreadsheet. This was something that baffled me, and I spent so much time trying to do at one point where I did it manually, actually took each name out and added it to a second column. I watched videos on it that gave me these long ways to fix it. This is literally going to take you seconds to do once you learn the formula. It's that easy. And why do you need to separate the first name from the last name? Well, it could be for sorting purposes if you wanted to sort your list by first or last name. And it could also be if you want to upload it into your email list so that it's easier for you to do, because typically they don't let you bring in first and last name in one column. So let's start now, but the first thing we want to do is create a space for the second name to go. So I'm going to go to column B. I'm going to highlight column B, and I'm going to right click it, and then I'm going to click insert. What that just did is created a column for the other name to go. And then I'm going to go to column A, make sure the whole entire column is highlighted, and you do that by hitting the letter at the top, not just one of these fields. You want to click the top of the whole column. So once column A is highlighted from the top, then you're going to click on data. And once you click on data, you're going to see text to columns option over here. And once you click on that, you're going to see that you have a choice between delimited and fixed width. Make sure delimited is clicked and then hit next. Then you're going to see options here on the left side. Very often it's tab that is checked. You want to make sure that only space is checked. And then you're going to go next. You'll see on the bottom here that it is already separated, but you'll see it even better when you click on finish. And then there you go. Everything is separated, the first and the last name. Everything else is in place. But the big key is to make sure you create a column for those to exist, or they're going to take up a column that's already being used by an email or a phone number. So I sure hope this helps. And if you have any questions, put them in the comments section below. And if you're interested in more how-tos or information for entrepreneurs, then just hit subscribe and the bell so you get notified of new emails that get uploaded. I'm Fran Asaro, the founder of Thrive Anyway, where I help entrepreneurs start and grow their business. Bye-bye.